Are you a beginner experiencing tuning troubles with your guitar? Drowning in frustration while trying to tune is not what rocking is all about. Let's see how to turn your guitar tuning from this to this. Say goodbye to these painful days when you buy the tuner of the gods. The Tuner of the Gods is an Arduino-based automatic guitar tuner that bypasses all of the frustration beginners experience while tuning. This automatic guitar tuner services a variety of tuning modes, from standard tuning to drop D and even E-flat tuning. We have it all. Pressing the string button cycles through the tunings for each string, while the other button controls the tuning mode. When the musician strums the guitar string, it vibrates at a specific frequency. The guitar's pickup coils use electromagnetic induction to translate these vibrations into an induced voltage. This generates alternating current that oscillates at the same frequencies as the guitar string. Typically, the raw voltage ranges from around -500 to 500 millivolts when the volume knob is turned to its highest setting. This is a graph of the guitar signal's voltage versus time for the E2 note, which has a frequency of about 82 Hz. After plugging the audio cord into its receptacle, the Tuner of the Gods begins processing the guitar signal. The Arduino analyzes this signal by reading its frequency and matching it to the corresponding note. Because the Arduino microcontroller can only read signals above 0 volts, a voltage divider boosts the signal with a DC offset. The raw guitar signal is relatively weak, so the Tuner of the Gods uses a non-inverting operational amplifier to magnify the voltage by a gain of 21. The gain is determined by the ratio of the two resistors. Most guitar tuning systems only use notes below 1000 Hz. Therefore, the Hammer of the Gods uses a low-pass filter with a breakpoint frequency of 1000 Hz to remove electrical noise and extract significant low-frequency signals. After the low-pass filter polishes the signal, it enters the analog input pin on the Arduino microcontroller. A complex algorithm called the fast Fourier transform then approximates this input signal and identifies its constituent frequencies. Instead of oscillating perfectly at a single frequency, the guitar string actually resonates at multiple different frequencies called harmonics. Harmonics are integer multiples of a fundamental frequency. For example, the 82 Hz low E2 signal has harmonic overtone frequencies of 164 and 246 Hz. To overcome this natural phenomenon, the fast Fourier transform also utilizes these frequencies to create a more comprehensive and effective tuning experience. The Arduino microcontroller reads the filtered signal and processes the information to control a 12-volt geared DC motor. An internal program determines the appropriate direction to spin the motor. If the signal's frequency is too low, the motor spins counterclockwise to tighten the guitar string. The opposite occurs when the frequency is too high. After a couple strums, the guitar is in tune. This minimal effort saves your energy for the shredding soon to follow. Let's see how the Tuner of the Gods helped our beginner. Just imagine what the tuner will be capable of once we expand the software to include bass guitar tuning modes as well. Furthermore, using a microcontroller with higher sampling rates would make the design more suitable for audio signal processing. After improving these technologies, compressing the system into a handheld device will make the Tuner of the Gods unstoppable.